Hey guys, today I decided to play with our Couture ink, the Harvest transfer, and one of our lumbar pillows. Right now, all I'm doing is going ahead and cutting out the pieces that I'm going to be utilizing for my design. As you saw, I just numbered them so I know stem 1, stem 2, and I wrote what the transfer name was on the back of the carrier sheet because our transfers are reusable over and over and over again. Right now, I am smoothing this out. I want to make sure there are absolutely no air bubbles, and I actually did wind up having one in the V, which you'll see, but you know what? It still looks amazing. So I used our 4-inch handled squeegee to go ahead and try and help me get that all across my lumbar pillow. I'm utilizing a small squeegee and our black Couture ink. Now, the reason why I'm using Couture ink is because I want this to be permanent on this pillowcase. That way, when I wash it, it will not come off. Our Couture ink is permanent once it's heat set. So you will see me utilize my heat press in this video so that way you can see how I heat set my transfer, my design to make it permanent. So I'm just go ahead and I'm finishing up putting the Couture ink on the stem, and once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and peel it away and put it to the side in a small vat of water. And you see that V, just that little bit ran, but guess what? It still looks amazing, guys. So right now what you want to do is you want to go in and you want to take a heat tool or a blow dryer, and you want to make sure that the ink is completely dry to the touch. It'll actually feel a little sticky once it's dry. So that way you can go ahead and heat set it. Now I'm utilizing the other transfer so that the stem went the opposite way, again along with the black ink, to finish making my design. But you have to make sure that bottom design is completely dry first before you even try to do it. So I'll go ahead, I will peel off that transfer, and I'll also put that in water. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same step all over again. I'm going to take my heat tool, I'm going to dry that stem, and it will be all good and ready for me to go ahead and heat set. Now, what you would do is if you do not have a heat press, you can go ahead and use an iron on a cotton setting, and you are going to use a piece of parchment paper along with and put it on top of your design and use the iron for 4 minutes on that side. Flip the design inside out, put the parchment paper in between the back side and the front side of your design, and do another 4 minutes. Now with the heat press, all I need to do is 30 seconds on the front side, flip it inside out, put the parchment paper on the inside, and then repeat again for another 30 seconds. And guess what? It's on there permanently. We have a wide variety of Couture ink, so be sure to check out my website once this video is done to see the other designs and other colors that we offer. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please stay tuned for that finished project picture. Have a great day. Bye.